तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय।
All the members and councillors of Mapsa Municipal Council, the police officers, students, and all my dear Bardiskas. First and foremost, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you and convey my best wishes to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Goa's 60th liberation. I take this opportunity to salute our freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives and did a yeoman's service to see to that the future generation reaped the benefits of a liberated Goa. On this day, I take this opportunity to salute the frontline health workers who are in forefront of this war against the pandemic. Goa is taking giant strides in the field of education, science, technology, sports, health and various other fields. Under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawantji. In spite of all odds, government has not stopped the path of development. Our government is continuously striving to be industry friendly by bringing out new innovative schemes for the different industries. I am striving to make Goa garbage free by constantly improving our existing waste management facilities and bringing them to global standards, which will enable Goa to retain its pristine beauty. We have started construction of Kakora waste management plant in South Goa. The process of setting up state-of-the-art waste management plant at Baingini is in final stages of tender. Improvement to existing Saligaon plant, in addition to the existing facility, is in progress at the Saligaon Kalangut plant. Tackling of garbage which is generated all over Goa, especially in this Mapsa town, will be my first priority. And I would like to give assurance to all the Mapshekars over here and all the Bardes people that we will start collecting the waste generated in Mapsa and will be processed from waste to energy in our Kalangut plant within 6 months from this date. In the case of rural development, I have instructed my department to focus on schemes like NRLM, which has the potential to empower self-sustaining women entrepreneurs in our state. An expenditure of 2.2 crore and 66,458 man days have been undertaken for government projects. Also, we are in process of identifying such more Government of Goa projects which will enable us to utilize at least 50 crore through this scheme. This money comes from the aid which is given by the central government This has resulted in several families obtaining the benefits of the scheme, especially during this pandemic time. Innovation is the true calling card of the future. With this thought in mind, I have instructed my Department of Science and Technology to focus on innovation, and also we are in process of strengthening the Innovation Council. My Department of Ports is in process of developing jetties so as to make them more navigable only for passenger use. I have taken special note of the ill effects of the pandemic on the barge industry, and the government is in process of looking at their concerns, which will help in the revival of this industry. Our government, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawantji, is on the pathway to make Goa a model state in terms of all-round development. And we can achieve this with the involvement of the elected representatives, public and all stakeholders. Before I conclude, I would like to thank the Deputy Collector over here, Mr. Patekar, Deputy Collector 2, Memu Madam, the Mamledar of Bardes, the joint Mamledars, and all the staff of Mamledar and other buildings, the Deputy Collector building, who have worked in this pandemic. All the press reporters who have actually helped a lot of Goan people. They have also worked tirelessly day and night to send all the stranded laborers who are here in Goa, especially in Bardes. I want to thank the DYSP of MAPSA, the PI, the traffic, and all the policemen who worked during this pandemic, and all those other NGOs, MAPSA Municipal Council chairperson and his councillors who worked during this pandemic, the CEO, and all the other officers who worked during this pandemic.